Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling back tap so the phone can respond. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. Once there, scroll to back tap and pick double tap or triple tap to assign. Choose an action from the system list or a shortcut you already created. This is why shortcuts are useful. They expand what a simple tap can do. Make sure your case isn't too thick and your phone model supports back tap before proceeding, because hardware and cases affect sensitivity. Once enabled, customize what happens when you tap. You can pick built-in functions like Screenshot or Siri, or make a shortcut for multi-step actions. Use the Shortcuts app to build those. After assigning, test both double and triple tap to compare responsiveness, because the phone treats them separately. If you want reliability, assign distinct tasks so you don't accidentally trigger the wrong one. Make sure to try tapping with your typical grip and case to confirm consistent performance. To finish, finalize your preferred gestures and test them in daily use. Change assignments if you get accidental triggers. If detection feels spotty, temporarily remove the case or change your grip. Thin cases and firm taps work best. If back tap stops responding, restart the phone and ensure iOS is up to date. Software updates often fix sensitivity bugs. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or toggle back tap off, and on to force a fresh calibration before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.